Hello, this is my submission for CS50 Artificial Intelligence with Python, Project 5 Traffic. Here I'm going to show you the functionality of my solution for this task and show you my code. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to clear the terminal, run the application, and wait, because it takes some time to load the data. While implementing this solution, I faced some problems, especially with understanding the task, understanding how filters works, how the dependency of number of filters works, of number of layers, and etc. But starting with the model that was provided by Brian in lecture 5, I was able to get some idea of the things that was going on. So as I mentioned, I started with Brian's model and modified it, experimenting with the number of hidden layers, number of filters, number of units in the output, the size of kernel matrix, and activation functions, dropout number, and etc. Finally, I was able to find the best solution that works for me, which gives me 98.2% of accuracy, sometimes 97.6 or something percent of accuracy. Now it gives me 96.6% of accuracy. Okay, so I started my code with the load data function, where I initialized two lists for images and labels. Then I iterated over my directories from 0 to 42 inclusively, and via OS module I was able to get a path name, and with the CV2 module I was able to read the image and resize it. In my getModel function, I modified Brian's model to this extent, where I start with the convolutional layer, where I apply 16 filters using 5 to 5 kernel matrix. This allows neural network to identify the main features of the image, shapes, etc. And then I go by max pooling 2 by 2 and increasing number of filters while decreasing number of grids or size of the kernel matrix, which allowed me to define more details of this image. Then I flatten the units, I add a hidden layer with 128 units activation value and a dropout of 0.5 to avoid overfitting. So this is it for my implementation for this task's solution. See you later.